Why you should absolutely invest in crypto if you are under 40. If you're under the age of 40 and looking to develop money and diversify your portfolio, cryptocurrency trading may be a good option for you to consider. The technology known as blockchain is the foundation for the digital currency known as cryptocurrency. The fact that it provides users with a safe and straightforward method for holding currency, making payments, and placing investments has contributed to its recent rise in popularity. If you are under the age of 40, you should surely consider buying some cryptocurrency, as we shall explain in this video. Although cryptocurrency is still a relatively young technology, it has already produced a plethora of chances that may be utilized to make a fortune in both the short and long term. People are able to conduct transactions and maintain their assets in a more safe manner while using cryptocurrencies due to the fact that it is decentralized and digital. This makes cryptocurrency an ideal fit for the modern world. But the question arises, how to put your money in cryptocurrencies? Here are some easy steps you can take to start trading in cryptocurrency. Number 1. Research cryptocurrencies. Before investing in any crypto, it is important to do your own research and understand the different types of coins, their uses, and the technology behind them. Understand the risks and rewards associated with each coin and make sure you understand the technology and the team behind the coin. Number 2. Choose an exchange. There are a number of exchanges where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Do some research to find the exchange that best suits your needs and offers the coins you're interested in investing in. Number 3. Open an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to open an account. Make sure the exchange offers the security measures you need, such as two-factor authentication, and follow their instructions to complete the registration process. Number 4. Fund your account. Once you've opened an account, you can transfer funds into it using your bank account or a credit or debit card. Once your funds have been added to your account, you can begin trading. Number 5. Buy cryptocurrency. Use the funds in your account to buy the cryptocurrencies you are interested in investing in. Make sure to research each coin before you invest to ensure you are making a sound decision. Number 6. Track your investments. Once you've bought your cryptocurrencies, it's important to monitor their performance and track your investments. Most exchanges will provide tools to help you do this, or you can use a third-party service. If you're familiar with how the market works, investing in cryptocurrency might be an excellent method to get a profit quickly. Because of the fluctuating nature of the cryptocurrency market, its price is constantly changing. This provides investors with the option to purchase low and sell high by taking advantage of the market's volatility. Flipping cryptocurrency for a profit involves purchasing coins at a cheap price and then selling them after their value is increased. This strategy has been quite profitable for many investors. Before putting money into any type of cryptocurrency, it is critical to first conduct adequate research and keep abreast of current events and industry tendencies. The potential of cryptocurrencies over a longer period of time is also highly enticing. The use of crypto is increasing in popularity and is being used by an increasing number of businesses of all scales, including major multinational enterprises. This indicates that the value of cryptocurrencies is quite likely to climb substantially over the course of the next few years. Because of this, crypto is an excellent investment for people who are trying to generate gains over the long run. Investing in initial coin offerings or ICOs is one approach to make money with cryptocurrencies over the long run. Cryptocurrency ICOs allow businesses to raise capital by means of the issuance of their very own cryptocurrency tokens. Investors have the option of purchasing these tokens and then waiting for the underlying firm to gain success, which should result in an increase in the token's value. In the long run, this is an excellent strategy for generating some monetary gain. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seized the attention of people all around the world. They've developed into an essential component of the worldwide monetary system, and a significant number of individuals have come to rely on them for the conduct of their day-to-day business. However, despite their widespread appeal, there is still a great deal of ambiguity concerning the long-term prospects of their industry. The fact that cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new asset class, combined with the fact that their value has been extremely volatile, is the primary cause for concern. Because of this, some investors are concerned that cryptocurrencies may not be there for much longer than originally anticipated, or that their value may drop significantly in the years to come. However, there are a number of reasons that point to the likelihood that cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum will be around for the foreseeable future and will continue to gain value over the course of the long term. In addition, both Bitcoin and Ethereum are based on the blockchain technology, which is a private ledger that cannot be altered. This affords the additional layer of defense and makes it exceedingly difficult for any individual or group to influence the value of the coins. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been in operation for well over a decade, making them both well-established cryptocurrencies. Because of this, they have a level of consistency and longevity that is not present in the other assets. In general, it is relatively reasonable to state that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum will always be around in the long run and will have gained in value by that point. This is something that can be said about the future. Because of their decentralized and secure structure, as well as expanding demand, longevity, and growing popularity, investors who are searching for long-term gain should feel confident betting on them. Over the course of the past several years, cryptocurrency has taken the globe by storm, and the market value of these digital assets has increased tremendously. The proportion of market cap for cryptocurrencies is currently expanding at a faster rate than that of either the stock market or gold, and this trend is expected to continue in the coming years. The growth of the cryptocurrency market's been remarkable when compared to that of gold and the stock market. The total market capitalization of the stock market already exceeds $40 trillion, while the market cap of gold currently sits at around $13 trillion. The value of the cryptocurrency market, on the other hand, has surpassed $1.12 trillion in a relatively short amount of time. Impact of cryptocurrency on the global economy. Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a significant driver of the economy on a worldwide scale. They have the potential to completely transform the ways in which individuals and corporations carry out transactions, store value, and communicate with one another. This might have extremely far-reaching consequences for economies all throughout the world. Because of the cryptocurrency's decentralized character, it's not subject to the laws that are typically imposed on traditional banking or by the government. This might lead to financial transactions that are more safe and efficient, as well as in an economy that is more open to scrutiny. Additionally, the use of cryptocurrencies could bring transaction costs down, making them more affordable for people living in less developed countries. Additionally, cryptocurrency may have a beneficial effect on the economy of the entire world by lowering inflation and raising the number of investment options available. And this may help to contribute to the expansion of the economy and the creation of new jobs. Additionally, cryptocurrency may function as a more reliable form of wealth storage. This has the potential to contribute to a reduction in volatility in the global economy and create a more solid base for international trade. However, one should be aware that cryptocurrencies come with their own share of possible downsides. These include the possibility of fraud, the chance of breaches in security, and significant levels of volatility. If these risks are not appropriately managed, it is possible that they will result in significant economic losses. To sum up, there is a possibility that cryptocurrencies will have a beneficial effect on the economy of the entire world. Nevertheless, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of the dangers involved and to make certain that the appropriate legislation and infrastructure are in place to safeguard customers and investors. Collaboration of crypto and modern technologies. Over the recent times, the use of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, has seen a rise in popularity. NFTs are a one-of-a-kind digital asset that are kept on a blockchain, which enables them to be exchanged and tracked in a safe manner. They have been picking up steam in the gaming industry, as well as the art and collectibles markets, and more recently, they have emerged as an excellent way to invest in digital assets. The use of non-traditional financial instruments has increased, and with it, the interest in mixing them with cryptocurrency. The increasing popularity of the metaverse, an open-source blockchain-based platform for the exchange of digital asset tokens and cryptocurrencies, can be attributed to the combination of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Users have the ability to safely store and trade a wide variety of digital assets, including cryptos, NFTs, and traditional assets such as equities and commodities through the use of the metaverse. The platform also supports smart contracts, which are digital agreements that may be used to expedite transactions between buyers and sellers in a way that is both speedy and safe. On the Metaverse platform, the combination of cryptocurrencies and NFTs gives users the ability to create one-of-a-kind digital assets and exchange those assets on a trustworthy network. Users have a fantastic chance here to make investments in digital assets and then use those assets to produce passive income for themselves. Additionally, users are granted the ability to build new marketplaces and promote their initiatives to potential investors through the site. Because of the meteoric rise in popularity of the Metaverse, this might be the ideal time to invest in the digital asset market. Cryptocurrency is the future of finance. It is a secure, decentralized, and inflation-proof form of money that is having a huge impact on the global economy. It is becoming increasingly popular as a form of payment and investment, and it is likely to continue to do so in the years to come. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we use money in the future, and it is an exciting and revolutionary new development in the world of finance.